Just observing nature. Can you see that? It's raining in the rural area. It's a rural area, and you can see the type of house that is there. Just small and portable. A family just stays there and enjoy their time. Just a rural setting. Look at the rain is falling directly onto the zinc roof and just pouring down. You can only see this in the rural areas. Oh my God. Observe nature. It's raining and the inhabitants are inside the house just having a feel of the cold weather. Yeah, that's how it can be sometimes in serene environment. Enjoy the moments. Yeah, rainy seasons are here with us, and I just had to bring this forth to show you all how rainy seasons can be sometimes in the rural areas. Yeah, I feel it. Ha ha.